issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Alamance County, Central Davidson County, Northern Randolph County, Guilford County until 6 p.m. At 5:12 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Monroeton to near Greensboro to near High Point to 7 miles north of Lexington to 6 miles east of Mocksville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greensboro, High Point, Burlington, Lexington, Graham, Randleman, Thomasville, Mebane, Elon, and Linwood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Alamance, Davidson,